How to refer and earn in Zebpay. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to use a referral code and earn in Zebpay. So in that case, what you have to do is first of all install the application, and then you need to go ahead and open up your application. When you open up your Zebpay application, it's gonna look something like this. So what you have to do is you have to go ahead and create your account first of all. And then go ahead and press the sign up button. It's gonna take you to the registration portal page. So here what you have to do is first of all you need to enter this information. So when you have actually completed your verification or completely created your account with verifying your account, then you'll be able to get a referral code, and through which you could go ahead and share with your friends or family members, and when they use your referral code you could easily earn in Zebpay. Now let's get with the procedure. So first of all, select the country of your resident and type in the mobile number and type in your first name and then the last name. Then you need to create or set a 4-digit PIN. Confirm it by typing it twice. Now you could go ahead and enter a referral code. So this is where you have to go ahead and enter a referral code when a friend or a family member sends you the referral code, and they will be able to earn certain amount in the Zebpay. But in your case you do not have that, then mark in the terms and condition and go ahead and mark on the I'm not a robot button and click on sign up. Now you need to go ahead and enter the verification code that will be sent to your mobile number and then the email address. So then what next you have to do is you just have to go ahead and create or verify your identity. So in order to verify your identity, you'll be asked to provide a government issued ID, which you have to go ahead and take a photo of it. Then you'll be taken to the page where you'll be notified that you've successfully created your account and you'll be promoted with a referral code. So there you could go ahead and press the share icon and share it with your contact list or a family friend. When they actually create their account using your referral code, you'll be able to earn certain amount on your Zebpay wallet. So that's how you could use a referral code. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.